boom, it's gone. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We are live and we are starting. We are recording these sessions. So what is this session is all about? On Tuesday we do cash trap overview. Cash trap overview. We go a little bit in details and let the new starters, the newcomers, be in a position to pick up some knowledge, pick up some understanding, and we prep them that way. And when they come to Matthew or Ness or one of the educated, they are ready to copy and paste. This copy and paste sounds simple, yes, but there is a lot of things going on there. There is a technicality. There is something that we want. Some of us made a mistake, a lot of mistake. No one been able to teach us or tell us, and we made a lot of mistake. And we say, hey, we don't want you to make that mistake, because the mistake here is the money. So we better give you our time, add value, right, and get you ready so that you can go and copy and paste. So thank you for interested in me. Thank you for giving an opportunity. I want to take this time to say thank you to all the leaders, in this call, especially all to Vincent, our chairman now, loading 25, to Peter. Peter, thank you. To Faina. We've got George, we've got Esther, all the admin, Abigail, we got Grace, Silas, all of them. If I don't call your name, you know there is a long list, and we are here to make sure that if you're new, we can give you help. We can give you hands. We especially take time just to go through these things with you, and when you understand, it becomes simple. And guys, many of you have seen the result that we are crushing the market. So results speak to themselves, speak for themselves. So I want to quickly, because not everybody is in this group, so let me just quickly show you something that is happening. So this is the group, a small group, and we just make sure that we stay, help people. George here just break this record. George, 100% winning rate. You can't data don't tell lie, right? Merlin, 80%. Well done. You're gonna keep going on and on and on and on and on. This is Merlin here. You've seen it. This is the young one that are breaking this record. Hosanna, 100% winning rate, 18 years old. You can't come here and go empty-handed. Hosanna, 100% winning rate. This is another 18 years old, 100% winning rate. Silas is the Peter's son. Thank you for the parent to really give the time to these kids. They're doing amazing. Esther, 100% winning rate. You can't be here and go home empty-handed. I tell you, the kind of things we're doing now, we are playing some big major things, looking like we're small, but what we are doing is big. Amazing. So this is just a quick to tell you what this group is all about. And yeah, so results is instant, is tangible, and it provoke motivation more, and it brings more what we call inspiration. The knowledge without inspiration, no results. No results. If you're very talented and you are not inspired by people, no results. So that's why we say we're going to do this. We're going to share our results and so on and so forth. So today it is a details but overview as well, especially for newcomers. So you're going to say high frequency forex. A lot of time you hear about HFX. So this thing stands for high frequency forex, or a binary option, Okay, it is an exotic financial instrument based on simple yes or no question, where the payoff is fixed amount or nothing at all. Yeah. So yes or no, is the market is going to go up? Yes or no? That's all you got to you want to predict. You predict that the market, yes, is going to go up or it's going to go down. And as you predict, if your technical analysis spot on the time, 3-minute time frame, boom, you get paid. Get paid in that 3 minutes. Literally getting paid in that 3 minutes. Let me see, is it recording? Making sure it's recording. Yes. Yes, it's recording.
It's recording, it's recording.
Okay, perfect. I just want to check 92. Ladies and gentlemen, this platform is going to max out. It's going to max out, and we are ready to, we're going to do something else. But for now, 92 logged in. Amazing. So we're still talking about just a definition for now. So this means that binary option offers different risk and clear outcomes on every trade. Now, many of you already coming from Forex, okay, where there is a stop loss, there is a take profit 1, there is take profit 2, where you have to download apps and things like that, MetaTrader 4, where you have to go and literally looking into you don't know how much you're gonna get. Yeah, you don't know how much you're gonna get. That's not the case here. No stop loss, no take profit 1, no take profit 2, no take profit 3, and then the risk only, you risk only 1 to 5% on a given trade and potentially get 70% on profit. You take profit, you look, you actually look at your pay first, your profit, before even you take the trade. My apologies, I'm trying to do something here. What's this? Yes, I'm good. So I want to show you here what I mean by that. Somebody's saying that how come you're gonna know your profit before you take profit? I'm looking into my my demo account. Okay, so open your new people, your first week, second week, just play with your demo. And if you're coming here on Tuesday with us, just open your demo and play it with us. So look at this. Our favorite USD JPY. If I'm gonna go on USD JPY, like this is about 8,000. So your 3%, you're just going to risk 3%. So if I say now, say 8,000 times by 0.03, so 240. Okay, 240. I'm going to only risk 240 here. That is all I'm going to risk on USD JPY, and this is 70% profit. So if I click that, in 3 minutes, if my prediction is right, then what else? I'm going to change this thing to 3 minutes. Make sure in 3 minutes. Sometimes I just get it fixed like that. So now I've got this 3 minutes time frame. I'm risking only 3%, about 3% of my total account. And I'm going to look at in the technical analysis, if everything spot up in 3 minutes, that's my profit. That's a net profit right there. So 168 pounds. Many of people, we were, you know, I was one of them before. 168, literally it is a 1 week's wages for many people. So hey, these things, it is mind-blowing if you understand how it works.
Do the next one.
Okay, we want to stay muted and quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, we max out our platform. Our platform actually max out. Wow, amazing. Max out, completely max out. So let's look at these things here. So we now know the normal trading. You don't know how much profit you're going to make on one trade, but with the HFX, you already know before even you take the trade. That's the thing. You know your profit, you know your payout before you take the trade. And like USD CAD is paying now 80%. If I click USD CAD, I'm making 192 here in 3 minutes. And as a new trader, all you want to do, Matthew probably is going to say, we're going to buy or we're going to sell USD CAD. You have to come here and trying to find your USD CAD is in the middle here. USD JPY is at the top right here. Sometimes it's going to say Euro USD. Euro USD is literally here. Euro USD. I recommend that you stay here and play with these things. Try to find your way around because once they start, they're very fast. They're very fast. Let me see if my sound is okay. Yeah, perfect. And then Euro JPY again is here. So why is it these things? It means that €1, the exchange rate. I'm not sure what is happening like that. You say loading, nothing is happening here yet. So something's gonna, hopefully it will change, it will load. Yeah, so that you can see what is happening. So literally Euro JPY, you're gonna say we're gonna sell Euro JPY and 85% now. You can see here, it changed, dynamically it changed, it's dynamic. You can see 85% Euro JPY is paying out. So €1 and whatever is going to give here, this is the exchange rate. So the exchange rate, you are predicting that exchange rate is going to go up or that exchange rate is going to go down. Peter, keep your eyes open on the question there if you can, and also
yeah, we're covering that. It's okay, we're covering it.
Okay. Abigail she's on the call, I'm sure. Faina is on the call. So keep your eyes open on the chat because there's loads of questions already popping up.
We are on it, Gaston. We are answering them. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. So this is the thing. This is what makes the difference. When I've seen this for the first time like that, I say maybe they're kidding me or what. And this is literally, that's what you get. That's what you get paid on that 3 minutes. And many of you have seen I play with these things. And sometimes I post my on our call, on our group here. Don't post your result on the social media. Don't post your result on the social media. Why we are posting just this in our group and also post the result to Brandon Boy, it is because we want to inspire our family, want to inspire our friends. You know, they get trapped in the job. It's good, I love job, I've been there, but what if they come and get more income? That's the thing. Kelly the other time was giving us this, ladies and gentlemen, we are maxed out, our platform is maxed out. Now the people is going to come in, they won't be joining. So after this, maybe we're going to talk about, maybe we want to go live or yeah, so we maxed out. Now people are going to come, they won't get in, and we have to do something about this in the next sessions. So we don't want them to come and try and get. You can see here, literally we max out 99.99. This thing can take only 100 people. So like I said, it varies. So you can see 85, even some of brokers, some pairs pay like 90%. So it's a big money right there. 200, literally it will take 1 week for people to earn 200, you see? And you're coming here in 3 minutes, you get that kind of money. But you have to learn, So someone already gonna ask, but how do you know, how do you gonna predict and all of that? It is here. This is things that will show you once you join, once you have a package. I'm going to log in here and show you. Even I don't need to log it because even from here outside, I can grab it outside here. So hourglass, yeah. So hourglass, it is the the scanner. Okay. So you want to come strategy, cash trap. You know how to go through about it, but I just jump it from outside here and then log back in. So just a moment. Seems like this thing is falling down. Okay, yeah, I can hear. Perfect. So this is it. This is how you do, and we're going to use this cash trap. This is the scanner. This is the strategy that we analyze. This is the technical analysis where we use to analyze the market. Now, I'm not going to go in details here yet, but let me show you a bit of the presentation. Yes, so you're risking only 3%, and you get potentially 70% on a profit, net profit. That's right. So when I think that the market is going to be above where the price is at, then I'm going to buy or call. That's the thing. And I'm going to take you right back here. When I think that the market is going to go up, I'm going to call. This is the thing. This is the, I'm gonna buy. Okay. This call thing is a buy. In normal forex, we say buy. In the binary option, we say is a call. But they use both terms. You will hear Matthew or Ness or Milish, they're gonna say, we're gonna buy USD JPY. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna buy USD JPY in 3 minutes. They actually say 5, but Matthew Thayer, it is 3 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna buy USD JPY 3 minutes, and it's gonna give the 3 last digit. I'm waiting for this thing to load so that I can show you, but it's still saying loading. Technology sometimes.
There is a problem with IQ Center and VidForex.
Oh.
So they seem to be down.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I see that. Thank you for that, Esther. So you heard Esther just said it here. So one of the leader. But if at one point it gives us, then we're gonna do some demo so that you know. And then there is something else, we call it rollover down here. Very, very, very technical. Sounds simple, but if you don't know, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose the money. All it takes just second to understand or second to click the rollover. But if you don't know how to do it, then you're going to lose that trade. And Matthew is not going to answer your question. Sometimes he teaches, but not really. We say we got to teach you these things here as well before you get there. Okay, it's opening now. So it opens right now. So Euro USD JPY, if USD JPY, this is the 3 last digits he's gonna say. So he's gonna say that we're gonna buy USD JPY in 3 minutes, and this is the last digit that he's gonna call. Whatever he's gonna call here is coming from here. It's coming from the hourglass. It's coming from the hourglass. So Euro USD, USD JPY, you wanna click here. You wanna click here, and let's see where we can do some demo here quick. Perfect. So Euro USD JPY, ladies and gentlemen, let's quickly have a quick glance on this thing. We are 100 max out, like I was predicting. I said we're gonna max out when we were 60. Can you see here, ladies and gentlemen? We were 60, and I was saying we're gonna max out. 100 now max out. We cannot now, no longer, the people that are gonna come in cannot come into, but we have to do something else. In the future, we're going to go live, maybe on YouTube or on Facebook. There are a lot of things that is happening that I have to put them out in the Facebook. We are trying to sort these things with the leaders together. but watch out, there is a lot of things that we are doing. So these things, Matthew just realized that maybe is not accurate enough, okay? Accurate enough. So USD JPY, if you look at the two bars here, USD JPY now, JPY has 3 bars, USD got 2 bars, okay?
I can't miss it.
And then he just said that this one here, this the one I'm opening right now, he say is more accurate than the other one. So let's look at this, USD JPY. Just a moment, just a moment. Okay, so USD JPY, let's look at this. USD here, USD is stronger. Look at that. In order for you to read, you know, this is negative. This is a negative side here, and this is the positive side here. If you don't need to be really nothing like a mathematician to understand this thing. This part here is a positive. This part here is a negative. So USD is trending up, right? And JPY is here, negative. You can see here is negative. If you put your cursor here, it will tell you is a negative 0, negative 0.2 something, and you come here is positive something. But when you come here, okay, look, USD is strong here. JPY is weaker. Now, when you come in here, USD is weaker, JPY is stronger. For the last 3-4 days, we're still testing. And then we're gonna do something else called trading. Let's check here. What's happening? I just want to say trading view. Okay, trading view. Trading view. Okay. Today it is just going over is the overview, and then a lot of details. We give a lot of details, technical analysis out. But on Friday, then we do something else. So USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. I just want to get this USD JPY for 1 hour. I can do 1 day, but let me just get for 1 hour, and then grab this thing here, just horizontal line, and I'm trying to get somewhere like this, and I'm gonna call this things resistance, and I'm gonna come and pick another line. Why do I call this? Because there are a couple of touches here, and I can put that thing. The price went to that place and reject. I'm gonna come and pick another one, and I'm gonna change the line, the color. I can put it anyway here. Let me see.
Excuse me, Gaston?
Yes.
Yeah, could you ask people to mute? I don't have the access to mute them from here.
Good. Okay, mute everyone. Perfect. Perfect. So thank you very much, Peter, for that. Peter, you want to speak, unmute yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, stay muted for us so that we can maximize what we're doing. So I'm still on these things, and quickly let's see. Take these things, same color, and drop it anywhere here. I'm trying to get at least 2-3 touches, and I'm gonna give these things support. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's look at it. Okay, I'm not getting any touches nearby. Okay, but if I change this maybe in 1 hour, 1 day. Okay, let me zoom. Can I get any touches anywhere? Okay. Okay, but this is the new zone. Okay, I can get these things here as a new zone. Price come here, it touched this place and it start going up. Literally now I can say within the last 1 hour it's trending up. How do I know? It's here. It's here. Let me take the trend line, and the trend line, because it's going up, I want to say it's going this direction. It's going like this. It's going like this. I want to change this maybe in half an hour and check. It's still up, upward trend. It's still upward trend. Put it back in 1 hour. It's trending upward. It's an upward trend market. So in the last, how many times we've been here, these things is not good. You see that now it says JPY is stronger. Excuse me. But when you come here, look at this. USD is stronger. It means it's trending, is an uptrend market. So that's one confirmation. And I can come here and also I can say is uptrend, is uptrending, okay? Upward trend, right? So that's give you the two confirmation. So what do you want then? When you come to your hourglass, you wanna wait for up arrow. You wanna wait for up arrow. Technically speaking, this thing sometimes is a new strategy, and sometimes there's some bugs in here. So if you don't see your countdown, go here. So now see it's not checked. It's not checked. So you want to put your countdown. You want to check that. Boom. Now I have it. Perfect. So the countdown will give you how many minutes you got left here. So
sorry, Augustine, what was it, the setting that you clicked on, or what? This countdown.
Yeah, that's Patrick. I can hear you loud and clear. So
yes, can you repeat that, please?
Okay, good. So the countdown is a very important feature. Now, I have come across many cases that is not showing. And if it's not showing, go down where there is like a wheel. That thing is called setting, okay? So you click on that setting and literally you will see your countdown may not be ticked. So what are you gonna do? Will you call Brandon Boy? Will you call Matthew, or no? You just want to tick that. If I untick now, it's gone. I'm gonna click back. You can see it's unticked. So tick that. Boom. Now you have it. That's all you gotta do.
When you click on the setting on your screen, I don't seem to see it.
Okay. Can you see my screen, everybody?
I'm seeing your screen, but when you are clicking on the setting,
yeah, okay.
The chart and all those things seem to be covering it in my. I don't know.
All right. So setting is at the bottom here. Setting is at the bottom here. And what
you need to move the screen up so that the setting can be seen. That's what he's talking about.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because it's hidden behind your.
Okay. So I think it reached the highest it can get. This mark thing.
That can't actually move any further than where it is now.
Yeah.
That is the size of the screen.
Yeah, let me say max. Okay, now that's not what we want. And then I'm going to, yeah. Okay, Patrick, the things you want to do, it is here. So I'm trying to do my best, but that's how far it can go now.
Gaston, there's another way to find it. Just go to where you have the formatting on the USD JPY. The two, just beside the I, there's a little cycle thing there. Click on it.
USD JPY here?
Yeah, on your right, move to your right a bit. Where you see the I.
Yes.
Close to it, there is a format. No, not where you are, not where your cursor is. Just under this USD JPY.
Okay, so, USD JPY here.
To the left.
No.
To the left.
Where you have the FXCM. FXCM.
Yes.
Can you see the FXCM?
Gaston, you can just right click on the scale and it will come up.
Yeah, come down.
Okay, here.
Go to your right. You see the little eye, the next icon beside it. Click it.
Oh, the format.
Where you have format, yeah, click it.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go to background.
Okay.
And then you have sorry, is it background? No,
time.
skills.
Time frame. Should be time frame.
Time, yeah.
Time
Go to
zone.
time. Time. Let me see.
Yeah.
Click
No,
the
that's
time.
different.
No. Skills. Click skills.
Scale. Okay.
There.
Scale.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the countdown there. Skills. Yeah.
Okay. So scale. So from scale here.
You can click the countdown as well. On your right.
And
it's already ticked.
Yeah. So here is ticked. Here is ticked as a setting, as a default, which is setting now. But what if? Let me check this quickly so I can come back, because this is technical stuff. Many people have trouble with it. Okay, I'm gonna untick this. So
you just right click on it.
Yeah. So yeah. So scale, and you see it is not there. Yeah. So Patrick, this is the one way. If you can see my screen, if you don't have this counted down now, that's one way of doing it.
Yeah,
so,
I can see this one that you did.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So you go to the currency itself, and there is a format, and then you click on that format, and then tick your countdown. Boom, you have it here. So different ways of doing, but you get the same results. Perfect. Let me see who said that. Different things. Who was it? Was it George and the gentleman?
Yeah, it was me who said you can just right click on the scale and you come up with that menu.
Yeah, perfect. And also there is a gentleman that was saying that go to the pairs and stuff like that as well. Thank you so much for your contribution. That's why we have said that we can only come like that so that we can, help one another. So if we didn't come this many people would have faced the issues and problems and frustration and start blaming everything. But here now we sorted. It's sorted. So now calm down. Okay. So we want to go back here quickly and test these things right now. Yeah. So when I think that the market is going to go up or go down, that's what I'm gonna buy. If I think it's going to go up, okay. And when I think the market is going to go down, below or go down or below where the price is at, then I'm going to sell. So where the price is at. So let me show you. Show me the money. I show you. Okay. So yeah, there is here. So now the price is at here. This thing, this yellow thing or orange, you want to call it, that thing is moving down. Yeah, like this. This is why we say it's going down. So now this one here, you can pick these things. This is what you say that the market. This is the price. Okay, this is the price. So the price is here. So if you take your time to do technical analysis and everything, you know that the market is going to go up. Okay. So as you know that the market is going to go up, you're going to buy. You buy a low and you sell at a high. So you're predicting that the market is going to go up. And literally after your technical analysis, the market started going up. But I didn't do any technical analysis right now. It's just to show you where the price is at. And you can see I just dropped £1 there to do a demo for you so that you can see it. But when we come to the technical analysis on Hourglass, we sit down and we do this technical analysis properly. Up arrow, it means the market is going up. Down arrow, it means the market is going down. But when you just follow the up arrow and down arrow, you're literally going to only win 6 out of 10, right? I've tested it. Actually, sometimes it's just break even, right? But then when you understand these things, looking at this thing, get one confirmation, and also come back in this one here. If you don't have this thing now, reach out to somebody who invites you, because I personally found out that this is more accurate, because it tells us that this is it's trending up, and here it tells us that it's trending up. But in these things, these things here is telling is going down. Strange. So it's just a data. The data, it depends the way you collected it. The way you collected it. These people might collect good data, the data that got signal in it, the data that have some signals, and when they put it together to do this prediction, visualization, it make more sense. Yeah. So I'm going to drop this thing in the chat right now. If you don't have it, just take these things in the chat so that you can start learning. Click on them and start learning these things, or reach out to Peter, if you can get these things. Okay, I've got it now. So it's on the chat. So go to the chat and grab it so that you can start playing with it. Fantastic. So what else? Yeah. Oh, so let's look at this. Let me quickly check what had happened. Okay. Boom, guys, I won. That thing that I just took, I could have what if I put my 240, I would have made 68 just now. But I didn't even do any technical analysis. I just put that £1 there. I would have left it as 3%. Literally, I'm telling you. Let me check here. We're not here to take trade, but this thing is provoking me. So let's see. Yeah, good. So we'll come back. All is set up because it's telling us we got up arrow here. We can take this trade, but time, the countdown tell you that you got to have at least 3 minutes something to take the trade. Now, how many minutes you've got here? You just got less than a minute, so you're not going to take the trade. So that's the thing. That's the thing. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. So that's the thing. But then you want to know about the whole thing. There is more than just take up arrow and down arrow. Behind the scene, there is a lot of things that's happening, and some of us have started. We spend quality time, start figuring these things out, start digging down a little bit, and there is so much to learn about this HFX. So 3 phases: contraction phase, where you just go sideways, consolidation phase, if you want to call it. Yeah. So then it means that the 2 pairs, they're just like, same bars. Okay. So up arrow you can take it, down arrow you can take it, and it's like that. So sideways sometimes is not even good. I've tried it, and many times it is working. It is working because if it's up arrow you just want to take, because they got the same bars, they got the same strength, so it's just going sideways. Yeah. So you can take up arrow, down arrow after when you've done your technical analysis and give you those confirmation. Expansion, these things with crazy move up like that, with pick and then somewhere and then drop down, like that. So this, you're going to make sure that the pairs, the first pair, if the first pair is stronger, then is a call only. If the second pair is stronger than the first pair, then it's just a sell option or put option only. And you've got the third one is called trending phase. It is like this one here, the one I've just shown you here. You see how it goes. Look at that. Look at that. This is how it's going now, right now. The sideways, it is like this one here. You can find those sideways like this. This guy's here. This one here. Look, sideways. Right? This one here, trending. up, then down, huge drop, and then we start trending up, so on and so forth. So we're not here to take trade now. We have to give you this foundation. We have to give you these things. And when you jump in real life with the educators, they haven't got time to give you this. They just straight in the business. And many of you have known that Brandon does this, we do this, we got all the documents, and we say in a small group we can answer your question. Yes. So what is, again, as we continue, so the call option that I was talking about, or the put option, this is it. So when when trading binary option, you make a simple prediction. Price will price will either go up, okay, we call it call option, or price will go down, where we say put option. So the time deadline of your choice, 1 minute, is just put 1 month there. So 3 minutes, okay? We're gonna put 3 minutes. So this a call option predict that the market is gonna go up, or the price is gonna go up, yeah? And then a put option predicted that the price is gonna go down. And that's what literally you've seen them here. And I've taken this trade. Let me check if you want to take another one. I love taking them, but we're here to teach today. Perfect. Now, this thing you can see here, we are only interested in up arrow. Okay, this is giving us down arrow. So what are you going to do? You're not going to take the trade. Just don't take the trade. You know already that it's trending up. It's an uptrend market. This phase here that I've just shown you, that's how it looks like. That's how this thing looks like. This is the third one. It's looking like that. It's going up like that. So you don't want to get caught to take down put option. So just let it go. Just let it go. When it gives you that up arrow, be patient. Be patient. Just wait for the up arrow, and you'll be good. You'll be good to take your trade, and then smile. You don't want to get into anything like the second rollover, first rollover, second rollover, all that kind of rollover. I don't like them, but it's part of the strategy, so I have to roll over. So when I'm not in a profit and I start rolling over, I don't like it. So I just want to get the perfect setup, which I said, yeah, this is a perfect HFX, perfect HFX. So I just take my trade and boom, I cleared. Yeah. So what else? We are continuing. There is something called Bollinger Band. So these things looking like these things here. The red you can see here, and also the green you can see here. Okay. Many of us are right now been doing Forex. So the red one we know is a resistance. Okay. And the green one here is a support. So in here we call them Bollinger Band. There is also a mid band, which is in the middle here. So this Bollinger Band, what do they do? What is the job? What are they doing? A Bollinger Band is a technical analysis tool defined by a set of trend line plotted 2 standard deviation, okay, positively and then negatively, away from a simple moving average. All right. So this standard deviation, when we were at school, or my background from the numbers perspective, there is a lot of calculation going down when we talk about standard deviations and all of that. But now you don't need anything of that. All you want to know, the price is moving between these 2 Bollinger Bands. These things here, 94% price is moving between here and here. Sometimes it's like it's crossing out, but not really, it's just moving between those 2. So that's your Bollinger Band. So all you got to know is that the price is moving between these 2, red and green at the bottom here. So the price is just moving between those 2. and that's your Bollinger Band. The red one, you call it resistance, and the green one, call it support. When the price hit the ceiling or the resistance, is going to bounce back. Okay, is the data. If it did it a couple of times, it's going to continue going like that, and that's why it say, okay, this is ceiling, this is support. So understanding the candlestick is so powerful. Some of us started studying the candlestick itself as a subject. Why are we studying it now? Why do we think that it's important now? Because we realize that the candlestick alone is another subject, and we are using candlestick. If we don't understand the formation or what is going behind, why is it some are small? Why is it that some are short or long, or you know, get swollen by another candlestick? Why is it happening? We have now decided to actually study these things ourselves. Do the educated tell us? No, really, no, really. But they are also talking about a candlestick. And based on our experience now, we know that these candlesticks are so important. They are so important. So when you look at this high thing, this stick up here is called a wick. We're not here really to teach you what is a wick or what is a thing, but hey, bullish, the green one, you're gonna call it bullish, okay? So at the bottom, this is where the market, where the open market is. That's where they started. And it closes here. And one time, the price really flies up. This is where everybody is buying. Hey, we gotta buy, we gotta buy, we gotta buy, okay? And then it pushes up here. But then when it closes, what happened? Another candle open. And a new candle open is literally, it could, if it's red, then this is bearish candle. And the bearish candle, the opening price actually started from the top, right? And it's going down. And as it's going down, it's going to close here. And this is low and this is a high. You're going to call this thing low, you're going to call wick, and then top also a wick, and so on and so forth. So I just grab it and put it here, but there is more than just that. There are so golfing, bearish, golfing, bullish, morning star, evening star, hammer, you call it. There's a lot that is happening that is not part of this training, but actually we decided to study these things ourselves so that we understand what is happening. There is a breakthrough and a retest. These things is happening as well. But we just want to let you know there is a lot more than just taking up arrow and down arrow. Yeah, draw trend line, like I just did it for you just a couple of minutes ago. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this thing, we can take this trade. I'm gonna take this trade here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this trade. The entry price is at 0.68. This is 0.0092. A buy USD JPY now. Buy USD JPY now. Buy USD JPY now.
How many minutes?
3 minutes, please. 3 minutes USD JPY. It is a bit late, but let's check. Let's check. USD JPY. Now, if you got it on that market with me, let me know. If you got it into that market with me, let me know. So for now, because we get into the trade, we want to focus on to see these things, because you want to come here and check the time. Okay, your expiry time is literally here 0.4. So at 0.3, if you are not in profit, then you want to roll over. Okay, it's very, very technical. It's very, very technical. People think that taking the trade and be distracted, you don't want that. You don't want that at all. So when you take the trade, you want to focus. So ladies and gentlemen, I just put 3% of the account.
Cleared.
3%. You cleared.
Twice.
Perfect. Is that George?
No, it's Borile. I started
well
minute
done.
before you. Thank you.
Well done. Well done. See, that's what I mean. So those that have a cash trap, they can anticipate the entry. They can anticipate often.
I've cleared. I've cleared twice.
I told you.
I also cleared, Grace.
Well done. Well done, Grace. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. That's excite me. That's what excites me. That's what excites me. That's what excites me. And we are not here to you know, we're not joking. We're not joking. You know, it's here wasting your time. We're not here to waste your time. We understand.
Just because you called my name, I should say I cleared.
Oh, great, 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 great. Thank you, George. Thank you. Thank you, everybody that cleared. Everybody that cleared, thank you so much for taking this trade with me. Appreciate it. Appreciate your entrusting in me. Appreciate your support. I appreciate your commitment for success and impacting other people's life. When I talk to people on my own, people think like I'm bragging, you know, they're not ready, you know, but with a group of people, we can move places. In second, I'm gonna clear. Boom, ladies and gentlemen, I just made 410 in 3 minutes. 410 in 3 minutes. 410 in 3 minutes. Is that exciting at all? If this excites you, throw 111 in the chat. Just that this is exciting. I want to see 111 in the chat. 111 in the chat. Ladies and gentlemen, if this excites you, are you inspired at all? This is what we're talking about here. Perfect HFX solution. Perfect HFX solution. Thank you for this, your motivation, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to you know, lead and then share some knowledge. That's the thing. That's the thing. So we're gonna go back to our learning now, and that's it. You want to have it open like that, so keep it open. You keep your cash trap open. We are just interested on call only. If it's giving you now down arrow, it's giving me down arrow now. Okay, I'm not taking it. Down arrow on the bullish candle. Don't take it. Don't take it. Yeah, don't take it. And we know that this bullish candle is gonna go up. But again, with the down arrow, we're not interested. Just be patient and discipline, and you get better entry every time. Let's check out the time. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, the time is up, and we want to start taking questions, please. We are almost done. And there's something here about the objective, you know, management, things like that. A lot of people are thinking about losing money. Don't think about the losing money at the first place. Think about winning the money at the first place. Yeah, losing is part of it. Losing is just part of it. And but oh, trading is risky. Oh, yeah, that's what your bank is doing every single day. The money you're putting in your account. Now, every one of us now, there is no guess in here. I'm assuming no guess, because all of us are traders, and we know we're doing the right thing. We become our own bank. But if you are a guest, I tell you what, your money, the bank is trading with it. The bank is trading with your money up to 60%. They take it, literally take it, and they trade with it. You don't know, but I tell you right now, that's what they're doing. So thank you so much for being here for your first time. If you are here with us for the first time, throw some 222 in the chat. If you are here with us for the first time, throw some 22 in the chat so I can pick up and see your first time. Wow, a lot of people the first time. My goodness. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. But your first time and we max out the platform. How good that is. Without you, we can't grow. You see, we can grow with you. We can make success together with you. There is no scarcity in success, no scarcity. If I'm successful, doesn't mean that you're not going to be successful. That's why I invite a lot of people. I say, hey, come, I've got a presentation, come and see how we do this thing. Because there is no scarcity. There's no way telling that I don't want them to come and know what I'm doing. I don't want them to be successful. No, no scarcity. No scarcity. Thank you so much.
Gaston,
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, just a very quick one. There are 2 or 3 questions here, but I might just pick one just because of the time. Somebody is asking here that, can you please explain the rollover again? Thanks.
Okay, good stuff. That's a very, very technical question. So, ladies and gentlemen, a rollover is here. So I'm going to put 1 minute, and just for the sake to demonstrate, and I'm going to put £1. I have no fear of losing it, no problem. So I'm going to predict it it's going to go up. Now I press that it's going to go up. Now the market is reversing, is doing, I'm going to wait. If I'm not in profit, then I'm going to roll over. So the rollover is here. So 3 minutes in 1 minute and a half. If you are not in profit, ladies and gentlemen, you have to click roll over. Yeah, so here now I'm not in profit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click roll over. I've just clicked roll over now. So you add 1 more minute into it, okay? Now is my time, expiry time is at 10. Expiry time is at 10 right now. So this rollover thing is here. And you have to be ready to click when you are not in profit. So if you are not in profit, 1 minute and a half. Okay, let's make sure that everybody is muted. Make sure everybody is muted. Perfect. So mute everybody because this is recorded. It's being recorded. Yeah. So the rollover is very, very important. So in 1 minute and a half, if you see that you are not in profit, what are you going to do? You're going to click roll over. That means that you're adding more minutes. You're adding 3 more minutes into your trade. You now start holding on the time. You start now adding more time so that you can be profitable. So that is the reason for rolling over. And we make sure that you get the broker that got this feature roll over into the platform. So that is the explanation of the rollover. You can do rollover once, twice, and then that's it. You don't need to do 2, 3. So he actually now say, just do 2. Boom, ladies and gentlemen, I won again. I won again. I could put that 250 and then won again 400, just like that. How do I know that it's just a question, but I just don't answer the question theoretically. I better, it's a practical thing. Scientific knowledge, these things is a practical stuff. We don't talk just because we want to talk. We talk and we do it, just like that. Every single trade we took today, 100% won. 100% won. 100% winning rate. Hello, isn't that exciting? Thank you very much if I answer your question.
Hello, Gaston.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear loud and clear.
Okay. Is there any price one has to pay for the rollover? It's just a
very good question. Very good question. Very good question. Yes, it add more risk to your, risk to your overall risk that you already put it. It adds 30%. If you put whatever you're putting here is going to add 30% on top of that. So I put £1 earlier. Yeah? I put £1 earlier, and I'll show you here right now. So this is the trade we got done today, 100% winning rate. Okay, so I put £1, and I was not in profit within that spare of time, like just about 30 seconds. Yeah, and then I roll over. As I roll over, it added 30 pence onto it. So this is how I ended up winning that £1.30 here. But it's actually break even. It's actually break even. So when you roll over, it added 30% on top of the 3% that you have. So it added more 30% on top of it. If I answer your question, it's not just the time that is adding, is also adding the risk of your money, is increasing your risk. That's why you have to start with 3%. And if anything goes wrong, you want to roll over, and it's going to go to 4% and then 5%. But we want you just to stay within a 5% risk management. Till at the end.
Is there any source one can study, like source of learning more about this?
Yeah, to learn more about these things here in our group, we give you some of the videos. Are you already HF? Do you already have HFX?
Not yet, but I'm planning to do that very soon.
Okay, is that Michael? Is that Michael speaking?
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. So Michael, if you join HFX, let us know, somebody who invites you, and I will show you here. So when you add your HFX, you want to go to Go Live, and to Go Live, you want to click on Go Live here. Click on Go Live, click on HFX, click on HFX, and then click on Matthew Thayer. Click on Matthew Thayer. Click on Matthew here, Thayer. And after, when you click on Matthew Thayer, I used to give 5 videos. Actually, the leaders know those 5 videos, they can give it to you. But now he just put something, favorite session. So these 3 videos, you go on Matthew Thayer and then click on favorite sessions, and he says start here if you're brand new, okay? And then full cash trap explains it. These 3 videos, if you go over these 3 videos, you should be good. You should be good to start taking the trade.
Gaston?
Yes.
Yeah, if you could just leave it for a few seconds so they can take a screenshot of that.
Okay,
those who want it.
Yes, please. So good. Thank you very much, Peter, for that. So you go to Matthew Thayer and you click favorite sessions, and on this favorite session you have 3 videos that you got to watch. And these things, I believed in that it is for the beginner. You should be good to go. But when you come with us now, there are things that, based on our experience, we have discovered a lot of stuff that we expose to you, and then bring your awareness that, wow, even Gaston is doing it. Guess what Gaston is doing? You can do it. You can do it. 18 years old, they're breaking the record. I show you. I've shown you before. I'll show you it again because it's worth showing it. It's worth showing it. Esther, 100%. Esther is on the call right now. She's one of the leader.
Hooray!
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. We're killing it. 19 years old, 100%. 19 years old, and 19-year-olds can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, you can do it. 18 years old, 100%. I'm not the one giving them 100%. No, I show them where to go and get that recognition and so on and so forth, because I have been there. Oh, somebody is asking, well, where is yours? I'm there. I'm actually there somewhere a long time ago. You can see here. Murillo, 100%. I'm not making these things up. Results tell themselves. Results speak themselves. Fena, 90%. Abby, 90%. You can't go wrong here. We are posting our winning here videos. Okay. So many results. Peter is one of the leaders, 100%. 100%. I'm somewhere there somewhere, long time ago, but it is there. And why it is so important, because we want to keep all the record. We want to keep all the record. Yeah. This is one occasion, I think. This is one occasion. 5,000, 7,000 in less than an hour. I'm not kidding. This is my result myself. But somebody is asking, where is your 100%? I'll show you. Boom. Boom. There you go. There you go. So we're doing this thing real time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Sorry,
yes.
These figures you are mentioning, like 250, 450, 1,000, is it points or the value in money?
In money, we're talking a pound. We're talking in pound. We're talking pound. We're serious. We're serious.
Okay, for example, what would be your investment to get you like that 1,000?
It is you can start small. Just start with 500 pounds, and then grow it.
Okay.
Yeah, but some people
So
start.
Can I just add something to that?
Yes, please.
What he needs to do is he needs to go use the compounding system to build it up from where it starts.
Yeah. We almost finished our time. Otherwise, I can plug you in with the compounding interest right now. But we don't want to drag people in our meeting. 1 hour, that's it. We out. The educated themselves is just less than 1 hour. 40 minutes, boom, they're gone. But because we want to carry you along with us, we want to be patient with you, and we respect your time, and we don't want just to cut you off. So that's why we're still here answering your question, and you know that we are interested in your success, and that's why we are still here. But if I answer your question, Peter, reach out for, drop those things in our group. The compounding, maybe next time we're going to do, so that you can see how you can grow your account. Yeah. So 100% winning rate. Congratulations to everybody that take that trade with me, interested in me. And next time we want to come and do more, especially in the future. So yes, any question at all, then this session we come to the end of this session. So have a blessed evening. Until then, happy trading. Happy trading. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Gaston.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.